Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to log in into your online bank account of Chase Bank. So in order to log in into your online bank account of Chase Bank, you have to first of all make sure that you already have an account, and along with that you need to go ahead and open up a browser. You can use any web browser, whichever is convenient for you. And when you open up a browser on the web address bar, type in www.chase.com. That's going to take you to their official webpage. So here you need to go ahead and select the account type, whether it's business, personal, or commercial account, and accordingly you have to enter in the credential. Accordingly, you need to go ahead and enter in your credential of Chase Bank and go through it, and then click the sign up button and click the sign in button. And as you do that, if the information seems to be valid enough, and then you'll have successfully logged into your account. However, if you're unable to log in because of your incorrect information or credential, then you can go ahead and select forgot username or password, and then you can go ahead and reset your information. So that's how you can log in into your Chase online banking account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.